Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to record Amazon Prime Video without getting that frustrating black screen. This is a common issue many people face when trying to capture their favorite shows or movies, and it's actually caused by a security feature that can be easily bypassed through your browser settings. Let's get into it. First, open your web browser and direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three dotted lines stacked vertically. This is your menu icon. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your browser's configuration area where you can adjust a variety of features and preferences. Once you're in the settings page, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see several categories listed there, and you need to click on System. This section controls how your browser interacts with your computer's hardware and system resources, which is exactly where we need to make our adjustment. Now, within the system settings, you're going to look for an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This feature is typically enabled by default because it helps your browser run more smoothly by utilizing your computer's graphics card. However, when it comes to recording streaming content like Amazon Prime Video, this is actually what triggers the black screen issue. The graphics acceleration interferes with screen recording software, causing the video content to appear as a black box in your recordings. Go ahead and toggle this option off. You'll notice a switch or checkbox next to it. Simply click to disable it. This change tells your browser to stop using hardware acceleration for rendering video content, which will allow your screen recording software to capture the actual video instead of a black screen. After you've toggled off the graphics acceleration, you'll see a button that says Relaunch appear. Click on Relaunch to restart your browser with the new settings applied. This step is crucial because the changes won't take effect until your browser completely restarts. Don't worry, your browser will reopen with all your previous tabs restored, so you won't lose your place. Once your browser relaunches, you're all set to record Amazon Prime Video without encountering that black screen. The video content should now be visible in your recordings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.